Sometimes, you know what I feel? Like the vein coming. Sometimes I feel some kind of sensation over there. I don't know.
This is how long now after the surgery?
It's been a year.
Okay, 1 year now since you had the procedure.
Yeah.
All right, so, well, yeah, what you're
More
saying
than a
is
year, I
correct.
think.
There is a small deviation here. There's a small hump there. Even this side, if you see, it's
Yes,
not smooth
earlier it was not. When surgery,
before surgery.
before surgery, it was
And
not.
yeah, the tip is a little bit droopy, and yeah, we
When
can
I
improve.
smile, it becomes more drooping. And this thing also a little bit deep eyelids folds. I want a little bit with this fold.
We
and
can
with
do
this
that.
Fold. Maybe I have cheek prominence, that is Dr. Pridarshini told me.
But that's
This
okay, your
is
cheek. You want to do anything about the cheek? No.
I want to.
Really?
Because she said I want whatever can be the best, but one time at a time. I
Huh.
want to be more beautiful at the same time.
Okay, that's a very
I want,
sweet
like,
request.
My
Huh.
face is a little oval shaped.
Mhm.
So I want this anguloplasty or whatever you
Yeah.
do to me, but I want it to look more feminine and
More angular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wherever is requirement, then just do that to me, and I just want like
Okay.
so that
Yeah, so let's first start with the nose.
okay.
Basically, I think the place where your
I
nose
want
starts,
more
that's quite
longer.
nice.
I want more longer.
That's what
And
I'm saying.
I want that sort of
Like
shape,
slight shape,
dorsum,
okay.
Slight in shape and
So we call that feminine dorsum.
like this type of. I'll show you. And this is not my phone. Unfortunately, I go with my phone at my home, but still I have some things. Google किया मैंने. Sort of this I want. I want smaller. I want more standing, like standing nose like this, not tilted forward. Tip I want very much, tighten and form. More.
But with the tip, I would be
Like
able to
this kind.
improve. But you want to go a little up?
Up, yes,
Okay.
like that. So that it will give a illusion of smaller nose also and a little bit standing also.
Okay.
And
But if you
this
reduce the
length
length
is-
of your nose, it's not going to look nice. We should keep the same length, I think.
No.
You want to reduce the length of the nose?
Our nose like Barbara Mori. She has a long face with small nose. And that looks perfect on her. I don't know how, but when I saw her pics, I'll show you. But my expectations, I don't know. But please try to fulfill, because I don't want to take any sort of surgery again in my life. This is my last surgery, hopefully.
Yeah, it will be. But let's.
Just a second. Kind of this. Smaller nose, or maybe Kat Middleton have that sort of nose, very smaller nose. Not smaller, standing in a shape. But this, I don't like this from front side. The earlier photo, which
Was nice,
that
yeah.
was better than this. This kind of nose, but not from the front, from back. This photo
Okay.
is more standing. I don't like basically this thing what he made.
Okay.
Earlier my nose was more like that.
Okay, now it's come
I
down.
think उन्होंने कार्टिलेज को कट किया है, वो
तो
down
bend हो
है,
गया थोड़ा
वो
सा।
थोड़ा सा ऐसे मोड़ हुआ है. Earlier it was little bit like that.
आपको मालूम है क्या कराया था उन्होंने इस कार्टिलेज?
I think उन्होंने यहाँ से ओपन किया.
हाँ।
फ्रंट से.
ओपन तो वो तो है, स्कार दिख रहा
और
है।
यहाँ से उन्होंने जो मिडल जो स्टैंडिंग एक वो होता है ना मिडल से, उससे आई थिंक वी शेप में एक ऐसे निकाल दिया और फिर स्टिच कर दिया. आई थिंक उससे केम डाउन, क्योंकि ये हम मुझे नहीं था. There was no hump.
आपके पास पिक्चर्स हैं प्री राइनोप्लास्टी?
This is my.
फिलहाल जब आप आएंगी ना सर्जरी के लिए, कीप दैट.
I will send WhatsApp.
हाँ,
to Mojo.
I need that because
I'll do WhatsApp. Earlier there was no hump, there was no tilt. Naturally, my nose was better than this. It was the experiment. Unfortunately.
I can see the asymmetry and all, you know, already. Even the bone, the way it has been osteotomized, it's a little bit towards one side.
उन्होंने किया था।
हाँ, that is
उसके
visible.
बाद मुझे ये और prominent दिखने लगा है।
Osteotomy के बाद?
बहुत सारी prominence आ गई है। मुझे ऐसे
नहीं,
feel होता है।
नहीं, वो तो उसकी वजह से नहीं।
यहाँ से bone वो हुआ है reduction, तो ये इधर से prominent दिखता है। I don't know.
हाँ।
I feel it.
Okay, only one thing. You might need some rib harvest.
Oh, don't do it, please. You can take this ear cartilage. I take rib. I don't know. Please.
But ear cartilage na, will not have enough strength. It's going to be very weak, first thing. Secondly, the quantity you can harvest from a ear is very minimal. For the tip, I can harvest the ear. Okay, but for the dorsum and for the support from inside,
Here
ear is
I
not
don't want any.
no scar will be there. Nothing will be there. No scar.
It will be visible.
No,
actually,
it
because
won't be
there is
visible.
Space in between line, and so. It
No,
will
I'm not going to
be
make incision there. It's going to be made here.
down.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
I
under
thought
your no,
here.
no, no, no.
Okay.
Just under your breast. It's not going to be visible at all. Nobody will be able to find out. Itna guarantee hai. You can see other patients also if you want.
There is no other way.
So it's not that I have to do it, but because it's a revision rhinoplasty, you see many things are not visible in the scan. What's visible in the scan is the bones. You're a doctor, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I cannot really understand what work they have done with your cartilage. Now the tip is bulbous, which means for me to reshape it and make it finer, I'll have to not only work on the two lateral cartilages, we call it the alar cartilage, but also on the septum. They have done work on your septum. Septum is touched on the scan. And when I see inside also, I see scars running all along.
There were sutures.
And you told me also
Cross-section.
that he has cut something here because of which it collapsed.
Because the sutures were there.
Correct.
On the upper wall.
Exactly. So मतलब क्या हुआ है ना, आपका जो स्ट्रक्चर था पहले वो थोड़ा वीकन हो सकता है इसके बाद. तो if it is weak, like it looks to me on the scan and clinically, तो मुझे septum, I have to reinforce that a little bit more. Because क्या होता है ना, रिविजन में ऑलरेडी स्कारिंग है अभी, स्पेशली टिप में आपको स्कारिंग ज़्यादा है. पीछे स्कारिंग नहीं है, पीछे हड्डी का पोजीशन ठीक नहीं है, वो मैं आराम से कर दूंगा सही. वापस ये ऑस्टेटोमाइज करो, सही जगह में उसको बिठाओ, बस वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन टिप का मामला थोड़ा अलग है, बिकॉज टिप में क्या हो रहा है, स्कारिंग हुआ है आपको और उन्होंने जो भी सूचेज लगा के वो जो कार्टिलेज पोजीशंस मूव किए हैं उसको मुझे दोबारा खोल के रीअलाइन करना पड़ेगा, तब आई माइट नीड सम कार्टिलेज. माइट 100% नहीं बोलूंगा मैं आपके इस पे, बट रिविजन राइनोप्लास्टीज में तो आपको मुझे कंसर्न देना पड़ेगा. स्कार नहीं दिखेगा बिल्कुल, आप टेंशन ही मत लो.
Scar कहाँ?
इंफ्रा मैमरी इंसिशन होगा, आपको बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगा, किसी को नहीं दिखेगा स्कार.
You can't take from any other part of the body.
So the best part to take cartilage is the rib, second is the ear, third is the septum. Now septum they've already done something for you, it's a revision, so that option is blocked for me.
Yeah. But what about
But for the ear the quality may not be so good. I'm not a big fan of the ear cartilage. The reason is because the concha of the ear gives us a very little quantity of the cartilage. Here we are doing a revision procedure. Rib I can shape it to many things. I can make it straight, I can make it in a diamond shape, I can make it like a thin cylinder. I
so
can
it is easy for you
to
make
mold it into different shapes
Right.
in one area, because you get chunks, right? You take a chunk.
Can I see somebody's like whom you did this?
Yeah.
This thing. Can
Many.
I see?
You want to see the rib harvest?
Yes.
You can see, show you some patients only. Many other hundreds we have done. I think this year only more than 200 now we have done ribs.
Okay.
Yeah. For men there will be a scar that will be visible slightly because we can't hide it. But for women, no, it's not going to be visible.
There's no issue.
Nobody will be able to find out.
Okay. And second thing, what about the cheeks and
So,
the LR?
so the LR will be included in the nose.
Okay.
Okay, that is going to be
So
part.
after LR part, this folds, how much it it's
Little bit. You don't have a very deep fold. You have a very
but
minor
one
fold.
side is more, I think. That is not
That is because of the earlier surgery. There is some asymmetry in the bone also. No, वो सब सही हो जाएगा.
okay.
But ALR work per se maybe 5-10% ही कम होगा that grooving. Your grooving is not very severe, so we should not remove too much. Just a little bit
Just
tucking.
think,
Yeah,
just think.
little
I
bit.
feel it is more.
No,
No?
it's not more. It's just there.
And
Little
how
bit.
it can be removed?
It can't be removed. It can be made less
Visible.
prominent. Yeah.
How?
So just by tucking it from inside, when you do the ALR base, just tuck the muscle so it gets a little bit tight. That's all.
That's it.
That's it.
There is no other way to remove laser remove.
No, you shouldn't remove it. It will not look artificial. If you give Botox, it will go to a certain extent, but it's not a good idea.
That is artificially cosmetic.
No.
I don't want to go for anything. What about this? And this thing?
Honestly, I think your malar bones are not doesn't need anything. But this, if you want, we can do and get it much more angular because your chin is a little bit broad. There's some asymmetry when I see your face. यहाँ से थोड़ा ऊपर है, यहाँ से थोड़ा अंदर है. यहाँ पे भी है थोड़ा सा asymmetry, but that's also partly because of the pimple you're having there, acne.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah. So this angle and this one we can make it symmetrical. वो तो हो जाएगा आपको.
Okay.
But malar bone शायद ये जो proportion जो बढ़ेगा ना तो फिर
When I had a video.
I felt like that.
So you told me about this.
Yeah.
And the thing at video call it was I think
More visible maybe.
At that time I was not having these
Pimples.
At that time that was the thing. Second thing.
But if you want, we can
my
always do that.
face is oval shaped, right?
हाँ.
So I was looking for a more rounder face. Rounder
No,
shape.
why would you want it round? Oval is
I
more
like
beautiful.
Round. I like rounder.
Hmm.
That's what I was asking to doctor. I'm looking for more rounder face. It's like smaller and rounder.
Smaller, rounder face. How
Smaller.
tall are you? You're quite tall.
Yeah.
Why would you want to have a smaller face? Not a good idea.
Smaller, but the more rounder. Like abhi, if face is looking longer, I want to look it more rounder and kind of smaller.
See, the ideal aesthetic proportions for the face is not round. It's a ratio of 1.678, which means if this is 1,
Okay.
that should be 0.7.
Okay.
It's almost that for you. Shouldn't mess it up. It's nice. You,
It gives more masculine feeling. That's what I
That
feel.
is
It's
will-
not feminine because
we'll make
my
it a little
mother's features
subtle.
is different, and my features is on my dad, and a complete matlab, I have a resemblance with my dad. My features are everything.
Maybe, but as an individual, you're already beautiful. We must not do major changes for you. It's not a good idea, trust me. We can only alter you a little bit, 2, 3, 4 millimeters here and there, but not do major things.
Okay.
Yeah, because you already got nice proportions, pretty good proportions. You've done something there, like hair
Yeah,
transplantation. I see
not,
that.
Not hair transplant, hairline he did, but
हाँ.
hairline में he did that. वो थोड़ा नीचे रह गया
But
उसको.
हाँ, but अगर वो थोड़ा
और वो
बड़ा होता तो
उन्होंने
अच्छा ही
किया
रहता
था,
है.
उन्होंने किया था नोज में ही ये सब
ये
हुआ है,
अगर
मैंने
थोड़ा-
उनको इतना नीचे नहीं बोला था.
हाँ.
I asked them to make it more like that.
वो बहुत
But
कम
they
हो गया
did
अभी.
it. They
That
did
is
it.
the only thing that is
What
not
can I
looking.
do
निकाल
for
देते
it?
उसको.
फिर मार्क्स नहीं रहेगा.
नहीं रहेगा, क्यों रहेगा?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Are you serious? It
हाँ.
can be corrected.
It can
I
be
have
corrected.
visited 4 times to my dermatologist if there can be done anything.
What did he
with
say?
it. They said if you will remove there is a little cobblestoning,
Yeah.
which is a complication after
Yeah.
transplant.
Yeah.
They said if you remove it, then there will be marks on your forehead.
But those marks will be like this. Can't make out.
no, but it is multiple, no?
So-
it will look.
No, but you are having those small marks here also, no? It'll be smaller than that. आपके forehead में भी तो ऐसे marks हैं. You're not having a very smooth skin anyways.
Yes.
So in your case, it shouldn't be visible. If see your skin here, it's very smooth. If it's like this, there it'll be visible. But you have lot of dots and acne marks which
Lot
are
of my
already
skin is
there.
very complicated.
So therefore, it doesn't got a problem. And we shouldn't remove a lot. We should just remove maybe 3-4
Just
millimeters.
ऐसे होने से it
वो
will
आराम से
look
रिमूव कर
better.
सकते हैं.
साथ में
हाँ, हो जाएगा.
और
Not a big
marks
deal.
नहीं दिखेगा.
नहीं दिखेगा. आपको डॉट्स ऐसे दिखेंगे.
Complicated नहीं होना चाहिए बिल्कुल भी बाद में.
नहीं, सिंपल प्रोसेस है.
I'm feeling really satisfied to meet you. The moment I saw your videos, you made satisfied, and me too. I'm satisfied.
Thank you.
I just came here to get myself satisfied.
Okay.
So that I can come further for surgery.
That's very nice.
I fly so like I'm from so far away. Came just to concert all this.
No, because these are tricky issues, right? It's
Because I've
worthwhile.
suffered once. इसमें मेरे को 1 मिनट भी सोचना नहीं पड़ा. I just
हाँ.
had a conversation and he was known. So I was like, okay, I'm
करा दीजिए.
और उसके बाद ऐसे ही, and it is more difficult when you are known to someone, even you can't say
Much.
and I was like, never in my life I'll ever and never take risk in my life. Okay. See, can you do morphine for me a little bit so that I can have an idea how I look up for
Morphing for the nose, or morphing for the jaw, or morphing for both?
whatever you do on my face.
We can do that.
Can I see one?
But I don't believe so much in morphing. The reason is because morphing is just like cut, copy, paste. It's a software thing. Today you have even Snapchat, so many apps that can just change your face. So
I'm not much techy, so I don't know any
now I'm just
sense
giving an
of
example.
figures.
But whatever morphing we do, we may not be able to give you that exact same thing in surgery.
Yeah, there is variation. That is
Can
like a
happen, you
very-
know. So I don't want to convince a patient by showing a morphing picture.
My expectations are much high, or it's okay.
No, your expectation is reasonable. It's
Yes.
fair enough. Nothing about your expectation.
Okay.
But I want you to make a decision about having a surgery, not from seeing your morph pictures,
Okay.
but by doing your research and but by having understanding after your consultation with me.
Okay.
Later on, if you surely decide for a surgery, and नहीं डॉक्टर साहब बता दीजिए
I'm
मुझे
very sure.
कैसे
I am
लगेंगे.
very sure
That we
about
can
the
show you.
surgery.
When you
Because
come
I
next time, we
have
can show you.
finalized my date between 27th of November and the 4th of December. In between, I'm
अच्छा
planning
एक
to
हफ्ता ही.
come. 1 week. In
यहाँ पे.
1 week, I'm planning to come.
तो you want morphing.
Surgery, I'm
तो जब आप
over.
आएंगे तब मैं आपको रेडी कर दूंगा.
It's up to you, but मेरे को थोड़ा सा
जल्दी
mind
चाहिए.
में वो हो जाता है कि this is the thing I'm getting.
वो नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा.
थोड़ा सा क्योंकि मुझे अभी इतना फेयर हो गया है
हाँ।
सर्जरी से कि आई एम सो fearful that just to want to look क्योंकि मुझे
मैं-
अभी पता
मैं honestly बताऊं आपको एक चीज-
ऐड ऑन सब्ट्रैक्ट करा सकती हूँ कि मुझे इसके साथ ये भी चाहिए और अगर
बट
उसमें कुछ
मॉर्फिंग
हुआ तो
देखो
फिर
बट
मैं
मॉर्फिंग इज जस्ट क्या बोल सकते हैं
चलो,
जस्ट
मैं
एन
morphine नहीं
अप्रोक्सीमेशन.
कराती, फिर मैं आपकी 5-10 मिनट्स और खाने वाली हूँ
ले लीजिए आधा घंटा मिल जाएगा.
यहाँ से ये जो एंगल्स हैं these
मैं आपको मिरर में दिखाऊं?
यस
आ जाइए. मैं आपको एंगल्स मिरर में दिखा दूंगा आराम से.
ये मुझे यहाँ से जो शेप है
देखिए आप.
what do you do with it?
So you can come like this.
Okay.
So now it's come lower
जरा
down.
सही करेंगे आप इधर
हाँ,
से,
जा-
जरा सा।
ऐसे
Okay.
ऐसा होगा.
Okay.
बस
हाँ।
ये थोड़ा सा अंदर जाएगा.
ये अंदर कैसे जाएगा? यहाँ से
हड्डी.
cut down करेंगे।
हाँ हड्डी. और
यहाँ से भी अंदर जाएगी।
सिमिलरली यहाँ पे.
तो ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे जाएगी,
हाँ.
right?
But
और
when
what
we
about
do that,
chin को we will not touch, right?
I don't think so. अच्छा
मेरे
है
को भी
ना?
लगता नहीं है chin को touch
नहीं करना
कराने का, I
चाहिए.
don't feel it.
So leave it.
और अब इससे ये V शेप लगेगा कि राउंडर शेप लगेगा जब हम ऐसा करेंगे आगे?
Neither V nor rounded. क्या लगेगा? सिर्फ ये जो है ये ज्यादा नीचे आया हुआ है.
हाँ, this thing I feel.
Correct.
This thing will go a little bit in shape.
Yeah,
right?
that's all.
This is what.
ज्यादा नहीं होगा.
Little
5
shape,
मिलीमीटर कुछ
right?
होगा आपके इस पे.
And what about this thing?
You really want that? I think it's not needed.
I'll look more beautiful अगर थोड़ा हो जाएगा क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उससे ये चीज़ मेरी ऐसे फील होगी फिर ये जो अभी यहाँ पे बिल्कुल एकदम यहाँ से उठा हुआ है
नहीं लेकिन
और
ऐसा
यहाँ
नहीं
से-
होगा बिकॉज क्या होगा ना
हाँ।
when you remove the bone ये और लूज हो जाएगा थोड़ा फिर आपको और भी टिश्यू लैक्स
saggy लगेगा
थोड़ा होगा लैक्स
so
saggy.
you mean this thing I should not
नहीं.
touch
For you should not I feel.
and my face is a little longer
So it was
how
good.
can I give the illusion of rounder and smaller this is what I want मेरे को round face पसंद है
अरे but you are trying to spoil something beautiful. Don't do that.
I know but I like more rounder face I mean, I feel like to have rounder face
I can make your face rounded.
how
That's not a point. But how
How
easily
means like from where you were, like on which bone you work? to
both
make
the
it-
jaws
Both the jaws.
will make
like
it
this
rounded.
thing.
Yeah, this will go
I
up.
just love that. I
No,
just
but it
want
won't
that.
suit you, Baba. You're already beautiful. Don't do all those things.
I know that, but I really want that because I want a rounder and fuller face rather than oval face. This is what I want.
See, one of the things I'm supposed to do to a patient is do no harm.
That's
You
what
might have a desire that is like that, but in your case, there are patients who have, like, for example, not that attractive. Then we can do all these things.
Okay.
But you're already pretty attractive, so we shouldn't mess up like that. Trust me, it's not something you
And
should look
whatever
at.
surgery you do, there will be any mark
No
after
marks.
that?
Marks
Everything will
रहेगा
be
नहीं.
inside.
But still the face shape will change. Why would you want to do that when you don't need it?
I don't like my face like this. I want my face like that. More rounder.
Arre?
Seriously. I just love more rounder faces.
Now what to tell you. Now let's go one by one.
Yes.
So revision rhinoplasty तो आपको चाहिए ही है.
वो तो
That
that
is
is
something you need it.
decided, yeah.
क्योंकि वो bend है, आपको breathing problems है, तो we'll do that now. Okay, first we'll do only that.
Okay.
And maximum if you want, we'll do this.
Okay.
Then we'll wait for 1 year.
No. I
6
can't.
months. 6 months. फिर
अभी please साथ में.
साथ में नहीं हो सकता ये सब ऐसे थोड़ा होगा साथ में सब कुछ.
जॉब में मुझे क्या करेंगे? जॉब में what is required?
जॉब में तो कुछ करने की जरूरत है ही नहीं आपके इस पे.
But for rounder, you are saying I'll do something with the job.
I'm not going to do. I'm saying we can do, but we should not do for you.
We can do to what we will do for this.
See, we have to reduce the vertical height then. We have to reduce this height of your face.
That is what I want. Exactly, that is what I want.
But it doesn't look good.
But
You'll have issues
really-
with, you could have issues with sleep apnea or issues like that also. You're not a good candidate for that. I don't think you should do it. Don't do it.
how it like
How? Because when I reduce your space, your posterior airway also reduces. I'm going to reduce everything, right? Of course, aesthetically it will be reduced, but even your posterior airway space will reduce. Your nose will get a little bit broader. Don't do all these things.
broader how?
Because when you get impacted, it will get a little broader
Naturally.
naturally. So you shouldn't do all that.
But the nose तो हो चुका होगा ना मेरी surgery. How can it do it broader?
No, jaw surgery करना हो तो हमको nose surgery last करना होगा. Jaw surgery और nose surgery एक ही साथ नहीं हो पाता.
Okay.
Mostly you have to do it separately. See, you got to listen to me also, no? Because I'm telling you what is good for you. Think about it. These are stuff that you don't have to jump and decide now and all. Abhi you're coming in November. Now I've given you a nice input. स्कैन में देखो मैंने ऑलरेडी बता दिया स्कैन देखने के बाद आपको रिब की जरूरत होगा एक सर्जरी एक्स्ट्रा हो गई उसमें नाक से ही करानी है आपको ऑलरेडी जो प्रॉब्लम है जो आप फेस कर रही हैं उसको पहले हम सेटल करते हैं देन ऑल दीज फैंसी थिंग्स ठीक है
This thing and
हाँ,
this thing.
हाँ
Right.
इतना तो हो सकता है आराम से
And you mean इसको यहाँ से भी narrow करेंगे कुछ?
आपको कराना है मेरे से नहीं चाहिए आई थिंक इट्स फाइन
You tell me.
I think
don't
it's
know.
fine.
I
No.
want more feminine look. And in
It
feminine
will look
this is-
feminine. Once we make the nose a little bit more feminine and this angle also a little bit feminine, it will look feminine.
Less is better according to you.
Yeah.
If it look better, then
Yes.
I will need to touch that thing, this thing.
No,
this thing,
don't
then
do
I can
anything.
plan it.